Hey everyone! For today's video, I decided to do the spooky house from the It franchise, and I've been really enjoying the Welcome to Derry TV show, so I really wanted to do something inspired by the It franchise. So the template was made by Ray Kime, and I will link his website in the description under the video. And you should definitely check out his other patterns because he has like a lot of spooky houses from really iconic movies and TV shows. I should note that I printed my template at 45% size, so originally the house is much larger actually. The reason why I cut a hole at the bottom is because the house was kind of bowing inwards, so it would be kind of hard to glue the front part of the house to the main house. At this point, the house is done and you can just have it as is and put it on a bookshelf or something, but I decided to add a bit of a front garden. So I just used some cardboard and I painted the front with some dark acrylic paint. After it dried, I added some gravel to the edges of the house and I just used white wood glue. For this part, I used the same glue, I just diluted it with water. I make sure that I sprinkle the grass only in the middle parts and I don't go over where the gravel is. At the end, I did coat the whole house with Mod Podge paper. It just gives it a bit of a sheen and it makes the colors pop a bit. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you next week.